Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Therapeutic Tech Talk. Today we're checking out the BlackPods version 2. Just kidding, these are knockoff AirPods, but they actually ship. You'll get a joke if you understand that. So I'll take a look at what we have inside. Let's see what it comes with. So we get, wow, it's actually pretty nice packaging. So they come inside a really nice box, as well cushioned inside. And these are the actual BlackPods or knockoff AirPods, you might say themselves. So they look quite nice for what it feels like. These are the matte black versions. And it does have wireless charging as well. So, and it charges via lightning cable as well. And I think they even provide us that as well in the box here. So let's just take it out. If it comes out, there we go. So what you got inside is a lightning cable, I believe. Yeah, that's right. So you get a lightning cable. It comes standard with the box as well. And again, it has wireless charging. So that's a quick unboxing of the actual knockoff AirPods themselves. I'll do a quick overview of them and a review in a few moments here. Give me one sec.